Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Ni ona ati mrashe bedwem yese mo de mo be frɛ governor of the Bank of Ghana ba mrashe bedwem sɛ o mechichi mu nti a o see twa SK that and any comments on the Afrobarometer report
Kwame Medawase
Medas
Professor we are sending Saban Watson
William
opinion you come kai because the last time we share had time obe launching the book no
and you na che
me dan yakopon asema be say like say me hope say ekoyi
nyame adom kwa madaroma
yegusu
na
ekoyi ba
same so de me ne ko share Pentecost sorry them
hey sir
if that time no 1 year ni share because onya sa post you got na hoyi ni ye film
o wa giant pie ball can you so boma baby ana ta sham ya so dem wa ja ho ba de o she unia nti me de me boma ho
me boma pa manana nana se me ana me na sala banti me boma pa nti me nim say I think I don't remember the last time nti em de pa say ne Kwame Adaroma yi nyina abehia na we kura no local FC sanka me call UTV
okay
and me ne abobi sisan ya me ba ha because me say me hwe time na higher mame na me de ba ha
yeah that's it
ko pon say am kan say me hia me nua no
that's it
na Kwame asema beda ye ni mo Ghana yi me am na hye be medical afa ni ya ankasa ya kan ye no Kwame amammo pa ejina fapimi ni so pere yo ana say we ma nyoma ada ho faama obi ahumu ena say de biada no ye ma amanfo timamfo no omanfo ehu ni ekoso
yes
ni emrofo gina so can say transparency and accountability eno enema ni ye kema me kan bi mamu nsem ni nkan nyina no ejina de fapim no enti nanka ye ade ni say amadwuma bia no se utu anamon bia edi amanfo to a yetua eni sika say ye beba no na ewu hia se uchireche mu amanfo hu se amanfo nyanti asese ade we a yeye mfaso a edi bre oman no eni adwuma yeye ni eka sei ena ebeda oman no so na ne ebenye free mu ni naka obia na oman no nyina no yate ye ho ase ne ye hu se ne ekoso ni na Kwame se ye tena se na se de bia no se enyuma bi ewo tumi bi nti no sa tumi na ye de amom no ometwe sori de aye adwuma bi omo pe bia without accounting to us omo nchechire mu omo nka nchire yen Kwame obekai se eduru pomponso bi a amanfo be akra bisa se adenti na efise omampanyin nya tumi a otumi yi obi se panyin de kum koye we mame na da omampanyin be sori no pa sori na se wane yi a oba ya se meyi opanyin de kum edi onka nchire Ghana fo se nti a meyi na dini enu nyina nya se bi a amanfo e ba eduru be mmebi a amanfo fi se nkitahudie wo omote privileged positions a oman ne de amom no ye di oman no tumi anase oman no jepade bi anase oman no ne nkoso ne bibia hye omunsem na efse de biara da no omo ye accountable anase omo ne manfo no yankita no mo manfo te omo asese ne yeye odi mu ni anamo ye etu ni mfaso bebre wo ni ne be se ne be ya emema keman kan bi anamo ye etu yi ebetumi akọ nanim enti eye na kakra se Kwame obeka abeye afini ena eto beto odwa se Bank of Ghana etu sa na monwe emo ba out kan se enya no kreda omu nsun sa da ye no kra omu kan se omayi bi se Kwame enne emse me ba wo ha studio last week ena echen na otwe pepe ena o kan se wanyante ema kan se me kra me kan se mente
okay
yeah wo studio no biase onte me ne kwese prato no nga obiase onte na wo kura ase afi na wanya e ma wo kutu source bi
okay
any better Ghana for hin na nim say anamo Bank of Ghana etu
ebia ka say esan say yesikenti aye security asem onyanye ahomboaboa ana onyanye ready a ye mfa ntu dwan ka say ye print sika because a very sensitive
Kwame me nie kura no Kwame medi ohanche mu o man mu me hu sanyo me bebre Kwame Bank of Ghana enye enra nkwa na Bank of Ghana be Bank of Ghana mredudu atwam yi aban to anamo educate Ghana for class ne ye ni am I the specimen of that you know e beto about sometimes about a month am Ghana for
by that time no my ready
Kwame into way o me say mo ye ready na no mo printing no mo data system no mo na
say o mo printing ya che
Kwame enam ka say nipa hin no mo boy amane o mo printing ya che Kwame na situation even worse mo printing dada mo ya amane mo nka hwe ankyere ye ya na mo da beto ya mo da ba mam sese enti eye na kakra enti na ye free say o mo ni Ghana for ani ni yie governor no anye na djuma yie enti ye de ye kan say o me kan kire o me cheche mu kire ye adwea e wo sa de we achi Minuatic aye a very good analysis of the economic aspect of it but ye free say MPs ya dwene say Minuatic kan nyina achi no apart from its effect on the ordinary Ghanaian no Kwame he feel say ewu hia say beka je say e kai wo mu oni sika e print ye nyina no e kai bo Ghana man ni say ne betumi aya masa aka no ye free ho mfaso e benya wo ho ni ni edi be ye ni say mo edi be bani e be bo amanfo edwuma amanfo sika kura amanfo ni mfaso e be bani afi so Kwame ne ha me kase was ade hu say ne amanfo we bre especially me nya kwan eko fifi chat bi a Samia Ukukra was a platform no so bi na Samia contribute there so mu say na how power ho how power Kwame ne amanfo bi san say just last year o campaign na nado ebetra ejina ho ka kire enyina say 2020 by 2020 West Africa currency no eco no ebeba so
Chairman is so pessimistic. But they've adopted the fast track approach.
When they said they were going to do it, Nee was still a practicing broadcaster.
Chairman was
over 20-something years.
No, but some of the countries are doing well.
You think France,
the primary and secondary
France would allow for Togo, Côte d'Ivoire,
Francophone West African countries
to have a different
no, Chairman is no, I didn't use in two phases. Yeah, English speaking, no. Those of us out of the UEMOA zone, no. We belong to the West African Monetary Zone. Oma create a new monetary zone. If we are able to get a new currency on our own, the rest will follow later. Until say to me,
I think to me.
Oh, mami de come am go
never baso.
Chema azema kan mami ko kan wo UN Emma na edwuma bon.
But no kan okure.
It was the truth.
Kwame,
me to aso.
O man pain. Nana Akufo-Addo. Ofi se onyi ni se ebe baso. Be gina ho kan se 20 by 2020 ye be adopt iko.
Me. Need to assume nka hwe
and they say so ni so we say Emma so e no be gina ka je say
President Mills kan, President Mahama kan, President Kufuor kan, President time on set up secretariat you office you Accra. Pension House.
Yes.
They have an office there.
Yes.
It's been there for how many years?
Kwame. Say ni anamo no mutu.
Okrego.
Until Namika say President Akadia. Adentin at this time. Ye printing sika for him say by next year. Ye be call eko. Ne to su
na say eko na yen street. E be che.
E to su mienu. Ene I think can say Ghana nkasa. And then the vice president akasa about cashless. Then the jumo nyina na akoye kwa. Kwame ene Ghana e wo no. Kwame sometimes here say we call bank. you can send a mail on your phone and do a transaction with your bank. Kwame ne mobile money any nka ho no e na Ghana phone nyina yedi. Enti ade enti na fi se ye kotwa sika kese eti sei. Ediba. Ene bank sikura ye interbank transaction yi switch any nka ho. Ehun hia sika kura. Enti ade enti na afei emu a ye pese yi sika e free on my mono. Afei mo nkura na ye penti sika agumu. Eya how uti asia enye yie. Ba ko bisa mi say sika hin na Bank of Ghana say ye e dey try say sika we. Ena Bank of Ghana nkasa last week e be general can say omo nkasa mu sika sem aye e how kakra. Nti say one sika sem aye how a oye ya ena wo san kofa sika e dey ko print higher notes e be gum. I think the analysis be Kwame say almost every Ghanaian is worried. Says here Adebia auto 2 series be no unto 2 series be we turn 5 series. Because says sika kese ba ma sika nkitin no e ya na amafo emu no amafo mfanya adwuma. Ene yetiwe minim nyanse wo mo kura ha e ko print 2 series coin. Because already 1 series coin 5 series coins no kura wo system no obi anyusu. To dem se kura nye. Meti fonye. Enti no ko print 2 series coin. Minti umiti ase ha me. Enti Kwame, ye dia e kan say efi say as Rashebeje fo no.
Let me tell you so. What was that question? Jama, I'm not one time who wants to see the coin, and I'm so maybe I tell you so. The one I'm with you, more common in movies, let me tell you so. It's a pay, I'm
and only idea I have a power community. Never a full barometer. I mean, cast over Mama Carfu by Matana once a month. Who economy MPs? Kwame minim nyina so omugina ya omode chiches ade hu say MPs here most corrupt. Ha me kakra.
Almost money police for na we are going to for the first spot.
Kwame ha me kakra. But MPs hono enya de me fi say MPs are corrupt. Kwame ebe ngoma pa say MPs because MPs yesika kra nso yedi.
Say ntia mo corrupt.
Yeah, they are corrupt. Different ko nya free.
Say musika sumudi.
Papers ni kinkan. Papers yake kamrani yeye. It is scientists can we yeye na corrupt. Anasa me no na bre bi.
So background man na juju
trim.
Ametwe misu me bia me ko nya sika atomo any oil Christmas na ebe
bronya ba
me constituency me gina me so na Kwame me inti ministry bia me say me say samia bia me ti naija menya mama orders bia ma ye de bia ko gina fichire bia atwen me
ana me wa ban mu na o ye ne say
me bra jiga
wa ban mu na ye ne say
o Kwame meka no kure me minister pa de Kwame minim say chale Kwame to me o to me a o na mfo Kwame ham papa to me ma e o me gate ano
but prof
I thought so professor knows mandate na no dia na wo
na me ko mi fi na say na ko dia de ja Santa Kwame o ni say ampa ni so wa Kwame address ni mu address ni mu itu betu a pe ko wana de ko ma no
many politicians you want politicians
enti Kwame ene ampa no the last year me nya 2 pe
that is a end day a prepare
because prof de omunye bi da
me nya 2 ni za me nya no Kwame prof wenye bi the student ba ko a waka ma na director ba bi no kai
okay
ena ba ko ba ena ba ko so sorry
okay
prof de anka wa chon ko la bi pa
prof ena onkura no mo ni woni ni
oh yo okay omutie ni
ampa def say oba
Mate
fie de no
that's right
fse ba edra fie
ana na de ahoma sokon no ne o monan ye fo no ne etwe no ba no ene ekumu dididi
enu sala neba ene Christmas there into Kwame ya MPs ebre into say e back say nyoma say ba na ɛha MPs kakra me nko fi anɔpɛ but me feel say bema ene anɔpɛ amanfo be down spirited pa ene aso a yanka yehwe estimates appropriations me feel say Saturday we be ha me fresh me can share yem paying for your leadership say yem fresh CDD for yi na mumra na ombechiche mu ade mu humu mfifi mu awu mu ne ma amanfo adwen yom say MPs ye corrupt no omu ye hu na se betumi aboaye a na yasesa na ama ebuo ni nimde a amanfo de ma mrahye bi yefie no saa ebu nimde no adaso awo ho because we eyade a ebema tafrache be bibia free ho a ye koye mpeso aso a ebuo no amanfo de maye no ebe affect her but me de baby ha mi kakra no come I say 71% in 2017 say omo sena aban no esi kura oman no omo energy ho but afi we no 51% let us say 20% of Ghana for ena omo ba mebu efa de kwan a omampan eni na ban ekura oman no 20% kwame emu eduru pa se Ghana for do pa 71% na be ye mfimi no mo se omo ogidi wo omampan ni aban no se na osi kura oman no na 2 years down the line I drop so much almost about 26% pa na e ka se omo eni nyi hu se na omampan ebu oman no e yade a me nwa samia okuti yi e se ha no pa na o start ye na adwuma yi because we ade a indicate se na amemmo eno na kakra meka se ha me fa sa ade because amemmo no se na se kono se Ghana fododo na ene se omunyintum wo kwan a omampan ebu oman no say the country is not moving in the right direction na ya be catch him say nipa dodo still almost more confidence so aban no ma na contradiction kakra ma me ade ba kuso a na epie wo mu a me ha me kakra ne say you say on corruption 83% of Ghanaians say the president and his officials are possibly corrupt. And no 53 efa presidency no and 30 efa omomu ye adwuma o presidency no into Kambuma 83 kwame how my if say nya indicators pointing to this statistics near to me areas are oman no anase omampanyin ni nkrofo ni na ban omo nyomayo efa kasta hihye ene proye enkuyi because omampanyin ye president a ogina pampa so kan say corruption ade a obeku eti apa enti say ene the performance in the fight against corruption a drop from 67% in 2017 to 40% in 2019. Now, actually, 27% decline. A hard dream. You can say if someone paying born home wedding, now in crop for one home year, Jumano. Sometimes me can say Professor Mills time crown. Na man for perception by say there is corruption in government.
It will always be there.
It's always be there because it may not be the person, but functionaries and people around the presidency. Come in, can say, and I mean Saka Ibia, Efa Sena, and paying for what presidency, handle confiscated vehicles. Efa, come in, me ka say saa same way esi mre bi Emma obekai the legendary car was here
me kai pa tell me because that just say idea it runs through.
Yes, intimate expect
there's a loophole be somewhere
at this time, you know.
People should have learned their lessons.
Yes. Na kanyoma sisa. But I dey be here West. Na me pese same bepe. Na ka waji no anso ahwe. You see omeyi on Joy News. I dey omeyi. Another investigative report on my year. Me pese same. Na say baby onuti no. Well, sometimes you know, come in American say baby same ti na ha me. Because at the end of the day, no problems in bar. Wow, as a national organizer, national executive, no. Only the power of Beswa. And your Mutia Benuma, Yakupandu, Mumaya, Juma, Maya, Bama, Yedi, or my Tranta, on a normal. But on Monday, yeah, Juma, a Bema at this one, I bet that Muamukura party, no so. Until yes, and you must say bar, they shouldn't dismiss it. They should rather take it, Nanka, I have feedback mechanism on Bema Abayano. Abayano who say. Wechi achia
Mati
no much buy nyoma yi
ni mamimbo break
Peace FM 104.3 good to meet Take